Welcome to Everyday Linux User, and today I'm going to be answering that age-old question. I've lost my Linux password. How do I get access to my computer? So imagine you set up Ubuntu like this, or any other Linux operating system, and you need to recover your password and you need to log into the system. This video is going to show you just how to do that. So we're going to start off, you can see I'm in Ubuntu, so I obviously know my password, and I'm going to reboot my computer. And the problem with operating systems like Ubuntu and Zorin is that they quite often boot straight into the operating system and don't show the grub menu, which means you can't get to the recovery partition. So what you want to do in Ubuntu is you want to, as the computer's booting, repeatedly hit the escape key until you see this menu here. It can take trial and error. I mean, for operating systems like Zorin, I had an awful time trying to do that, which is why in my other video for Zorin, I recommend installing grub customizer so that the grub menu always appears. And I recommend installing that on any Linux operating system. You want the grub menu to appear before going into the operating system, just so you can easily get to this grub menu. So if you're using Ubuntu, as I say, keep when you start the computer, keep pressing the escape key until this menu appears. And what you want to do then is you've got Ubuntu, which boots into Ubuntu, which you don't want to do because you don't know your password. You don't need to do a memory test. What you want to do is go into this advanced options here. And then you want to go down to the first option that says recovery mode. You'll see this screen here. And what you've got various options. You've got resume normal boot. You've got try to make free space, repair broken packages. You can check your file system. You can update the grub bootloader. You can enable networking. You have a system summary. But what you want to do is go into this root shell prompt. So highlight the line and then press return. And then it says at the bottom, press enter for maintenance or control D to continue. So what you want to do is press enter, and then you're at a root command prompt. And what we're going to do, we're going to type the word clear. And that clears the screen. And now you're at a root command prompt. What you can do is simply type PASSWD and the name of your user. So in my case, it's Gary. And then it's going to ask you for the new password. It's telling me it's a bad password because it's based on the dictionary. I wonder which password I'm choosing, everyone. It's not my real password. But you can see here it says password updated successfully. So now I can log back into my Ubuntu. So if I type reboot now, you can see I'm now at the login screen. So click my user, type in my password, and you can see I am in my Ubuntu. And that is the end of the video. Now this only works if you can get into recovery mode. My next video will show you how to recover your password if you can't get into recovery mode. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Everyday Linux